25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
25.
Okay, last one is 25.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 20th question onwards, the answers are given, right? I mean, every answer it is given from 20 to 25 also answers are given, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what I want, we have to do some notebook evaluation. For that, you have to write the question answers. So what you do, the last 5 questions, that means 20, 21, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25. So it will be 6. Okay. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 questions. That 5 questions, please write as a homework. Okay.
Okay.
Because for notebook evaluation, I need some solid proof for that. Okay. So you have to write and keep all these things. Okay. I will tell you what to do after that, because maybe that portions might have not taken, but you can start writing. Okay, I will form some group leaders, and those group leaders will be checking whether you people have written or not. That formation of group leaders, I will tell you later. Okay, because it's not finished. The chapter is not finished. So you can start writing slowly, like 1 or 2 questions daily, 1 question like that. You can take your own time and write. So maybe next day or something like that, I will be giving you the names of group leaders. So after that, the group leaders will be seeing that others have written or not. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, in the 16th and 23rd question, you have given one or.
Or question in the sense that it can be asked in different forms. That's all. The answer remains the same. Okay. It can be asked in different way. That is why it is given like that. Okay. Now, so, and one more thing related to your economics class. So this last week I took 2 politics. So this week I'll be taking 2 economics. Okay. History, 2 periods for you. Okay. So this week only history and economics. Okay. Because when one period is there, I am finding it difficult to get the continuity. So 2 periods, if we are completing, then we are going to the other one. It will be like some relation, we'll get it easily. Okay. Okay, then. So here, everyone switch on your videos fast. Everyone. It's not good that I have to tell all the time. Okay, you please switch on your videos. I should see. It's all blank faces means I find it difficult to teach also. Okay. Adnan, Steve,
Ma'am, can you say the questions up to where it is homework?
Yeah, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. These questions you have to write as homework. And your friends, they are joining only now. Either you just remind me afterwards when just to tell that. Otherwise, if you can inform, tell them. Okay, because now only 21 are there, more to join. Okay, just remind me otherwise towards the end of the class. Okay. Okay, now we're coming to the topic. I told you about the French, they are becoming republic. They formed a constitution. Then they announced.
Now we should take history.
Yeah, history. First 2 days, history only. That also is there. Okay. First 2 days, first 2 periods, not 2 days. First 2 periods, history. Remaining 2 periods for either for DP or either for economics. That I'll inform. This week, economics. Okay. Because I have history in 9B. Then in your class, politics, it will be difficult. So it's better to go with the same one. So first 2 periods, you always keep it in your mind. It is history. Okay. Now, so France has become republic. I told you that regarding some declaration of rights. Okay. What is the main content of that declaration of rights? What was written? Some points I told you. I mean, man are born free, like that, and all. So many points are given. So, what is the main content of that particular declaration? Anyone? Can anyone say? It's in your textbook, page number 11. Some declaration is listed, some numbers, with some numbers it is listed. They have not given all the points, but few points are discussed there. It mainly talks about what? Or what is the main content of that particular points what they have listed? Can anyone say? Hmm?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Page number 11, there are some declaration of rights of men and citizen. Okay, so if you see that, what is the main content they have given? What is the main point they have given there? Just see that I just showed you in that PowerPoint previously, all these things. Page number 11, it is history. Okay, what are they talking about? About what they have given stress in that?
Ma'am, the rights of the citizens.
Okay, about the rights of citizen. Which right they are talking mainly?
Equality.
Equality. Then one more important.
Ma'am, only men above 25 years can vote.
No, that is our voting right is different.
Ma'am, freedom.
Freedom. The main thing they talk about is freedom. Okay, so here they have listed few points related to rights of men and women, or related to the rights of the people. Mainly they are talking about the freedom, the right to vote and all. But here also they are stressing their women, they don't have much rights during those days. Okay, I'll just share the video once. Just 1 minute. So in that you can see yes, this picture you can see in your textbook also. You can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, just 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me put the sound also. Okay. Yes. Okay, here, this picture you can see in your textbook also. Page number 11, you can see. Okay, it is a declaration where they have listed down all. Something is written. You can see that something is written there. Yes, this is what written things you can see. At the same time, you can see so many other symbols you can see. Okay, some sort of pictures you can see, some sort of what do you say, symbols you can see. Okay, so what are those symbols? Why they gave symbols on this declaration? Why they wrote? Why they can't write only the things what you see on the screen? Why it is shown through the symbols also? So the first point what they have given related, you can see one side, one lady, winged women with a scepter, and another area you can see a lady with the colors of France here. Another one in the middle of this written work, you can see some rods are tied together, like that they have kept. So these are some of the symbols they have kept, or they have shown. Why the symbols are used here? What is the reason for that? Why? Already the written work is there, so people can read it, right? Why they are using the symbols and all here? Is there any particular reason?
Ma'am, to convey the idea.
To convey the idea. So they can convey the idea through writing also, right? Then why they are using these symbols and all? What do you feel? What will be the reason otherwise? You think how the people were, but the symbols are there, writings are there. Writings, you told that it to convey the idea. So why the writings cannot convey the idea? Whether is there any problem? Think of the people. What about the education?
Ma'am, in 18th century, they were not able to read and write.
Which group of people?
Ma'am, the third estate.
Third estate. Third estate, you can see only few people were educated, remaining all were illiterate. They don't know how to read and write. So that is why you can see that they have expressed their ideas through the symbols here. You just see the video.
It stated that the right to life.
Is it audible for you?
Speech,
No, ma'am.
No,
freedom
ma'am.
of opinion,
Ma'am,
and to
the
equality
sound is very low.
before the law.
Just 1 minute. Let me check.
Intrinsic to all human beings.
Correct. Okay, I'll explain you in between.
But remember that the majority of the people of France at that period were.
Okay, see this now. Yes, this is the one which shows with all the signs and symbols you can see. And each and every one symbol, what does it mean that they have given? Okay, the first one you can see here, you can see a broken chain. Okay, and broken chain, chain is used for what now during those days?
Ma'am, to
Yeah. Yes, for
ma'am,
what
to
purpose?
fetter slaves.
In the sense they used to chain the slaves because they buy the slaves for money. Okay, and you know that slaves, they should not run away because their life was so miserable, so there is a chance that they may run away. So to stop that, they used to chain these slaves. So here what it is showing, the symbol is what? Broken chain. That means what?
And slaves are freed.
Free. That means now freedom is there for the people. So one symbol what they used for to show or to show the freedom, that is what? Broken chain. So they are free now. Second one you can see here, that is some rods are tied together. Okay, you can see the bundle of rods of fuzzes. Now these rods are tied together. They wanted to show the symbol, or they wanted to show the or express the meaning that they are all united. So here the bundle is tied together, or if you keep one rod separately, it is very easy to break. But if you're keeping all the bundles, all the rods together, what happens? It is very difficult to break that, or broken, or it cannot be easily broken. So this shows that if all the people of this France, especially the third estate, if they are united or if they stand together, they can fight against the kings or aristocracy here. That is the one thing. The third symbol you can see, a triangle you can see, inside that an eye is given. Okay, so here a triangle, the eye within the triangle is radiating light or giving out light here. Okay, that eye shows, or eye is a symbol for knowledge here. And the rays of the sun, it is driving away the ignorance, or it is that everybody, they are equal, or all are considered as equals. They should be educated, they should be or they should know their rights and regulations, whatever is there. For that purpose, you can see the sun, rays of the sun will drive away the ignorance of the people. Next one you can see scepter. Scepter is actually in the hands of that winged woman. Okay, scepter is a symbol of royal power. So here we are not talking about the king's power or anything. Here you can see the women is holding that scepter in her hand here. Okay, so here she is showing that she has the power to do justice, or in the justice, just 1 minute. Okay, to give justice, she has the power. That is what they are showing here, related in the hands of winged women. The scepter is given, or she has the power to do the justice. That is one symbol. Another one is related to a ring, the snake biting its tail to form a ring. This shows eternity. Eternity in the sense that you can see that this ring doesn't have a beginning. It doesn't have an end also. So it is continuing. It is like a ring, and it shows eternity. What do you mean by eternity? What is eternity?
For all the time.
Hmm?
For all the time.
Yeah, it will be continued. Next one you can see, that is red Phrygian cap. Yes.
Ma'am, can I explain second one, the bundle of rods or faces?
Second one means the bundle of rods.
Yes, yes.
Bundle of rods or fasces, that means this is just to simplify, just to show that all should be united. See, you might have learned a story that if we keep the bundles, if we keep the rods together and tie it together, okay, it is very difficult to break that. Yes or no? If you take one stick and break it, can you break it easily?
Yes.
Yes. But here what happens? The rods are together and it is tied. So when you tie these rods together, what will happen?
It will be very strong.
Even if you try to break that, what will happen?
It will not grow.
It will not break at all. Okay. So here you can see that this symbol, why they are giving to the people, or why they are showing to the people?
They should,
Huh? What is the use of the symbol?
they should stay together.
Yeah, they should be united. For what purpose they should be united? Because they are the common people, right?
Yes.
National Assembly, they are the common people. So they should be united against whom? Which group of people?
Against the
Ma'am.
first and second.
Yeah,
Yes.
against the first and second. That means the kings and the aristocracy, because these people were suffering in the hands of the kings and aristocracy. Okay, now next. Yes, here you can see there are three colors, like India has a tricolor, France also some national colors that are blue, white and red. Next one, you can see winged women. Winged women is a personification of law. Okay, personification of law means what now? We are giving an image of a person to the law, right? Now, the same way, in India also we have a personification of law. Do you know what it is? Have you seen in some films or something like that? You might have seen personification of law.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that? How it looks like?
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, say one person.
Ma'am, with weighing machine and all. Standing with
Yes,
weighing
one
machine.
lady standing with a balance in her hand, and the eyes are folded.
Post.
Yeah, that is a personification of a law in our country. But in France, how it is given, it is winged women. It shows the freedom. At the same time, she has the power to give justice to the people. That is what winged women it is given. Okay. And the last one, what is given, that is a law tablet. Law tablet in the sense, you can see that two sides are shown here, and so many things are written there. Okay, so the law tablet is something shows that the law is the same for everyone. All are equal. There is no difference between the people in the eyes of law. So all are considered as equal here. So these are few symbols what it is there in the Declaration of Rights or in that particular law tablet. Okay, so here once more I just wanted to ask you, what all things comes under the symbols. The first symbol which I told you, what is that? Shankari, can you tell? What is the first symbol which I told you? Shankari,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the first symbol?
Ma'am, the broken chain.
Okay, what do you mean by that broken chain?
Ma'am, the freedom for the slaves.
Freedom for the slaves. It's not only freedom for the slaves, they are showing, it is showing that all are free. Okay, it's not only the freedom for slaves. Just keep it in your mind. The broken chain means freedom. Because why they are showing this through broken chain? Because they were chained and kept. Because of that, it is showing as a symbol of freedom. Now, second one. Shaza, can you tell? What is the second symbol I told? Shaza.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah, tell.
The bundle of roads of
Passes, bundle of roads
passes.
or passes. It shows what?
One road can be easily broken,
Broken. So,
but
ah,
and
when many roads together bundled, it cannot be broken. That shows unity. Okay. Third one, Mithun, can you tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And the
what is
eyes
that?
within a triangle.
What is that?
Eyes within a triangle.
Eyes within a triangle. Okay, it is radiating light. What does it mean?
It's about education.
It is mainly about knowledge. Okay.
Knowledge.
Yeah. Rays of the sun is? What is that rays of the sun means?
And they should know about the laws.
Yeah, you know that in darkness, if you put the light, what will happen to the darkness? It will cast away the darkness. The darkness will go off, right?
Yes.
So the same way, The rays of the sun will help in reducing the ignorance. That means they wanted to promote the knowledge among the people. Okay. Next one is what? Anne Leah, can you tell? Next symbol. So 3 we discussed. What is that?
Ma'am,
What is the next symbol?
ma'am, scepter.
Scepter. Scepter is what now? What does that mean?
Royal power.
Royal power. Royal power in the sense I told that it is not, we are not talking about the king's power or anything. We are mainly talking about the power of justice. Okay. So winged women has the power to do the justice. Okay. Next one. Prarthana, can you tell?
Ma'am, it shows snake biting a ring.
Yes. What does it show?
Ma'am, to be continued.
To be continued, eternity, it will continue, it is a lifelong, like that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next one you can see there were some more symbols, that is a red Phrygian cap. Gopi Krishna, can you tell what does it mean by red Phrygian cap? See, red Phrygian cap is actually worn by the slaves when they get freedom. Okay, so when the slaves, when they get freedom, in the sense, sometimes what happens, they get freedom from their honors, or they may be freed because of various reasons. So that time onwards, they will wear the red Phrygian cap. So when they start wearing red Phrygian cap, means it shows that they are free now. So this is used as a symbol in the Declaration of Rights here. Krishnaveni, so what do you mean by that red Phrygian cap?
Ma'am, it's the cap worn by slaves when they
So
are
it shows what? It is symbolized for what?
Ma'am, freedom
Yes.
of slaves.
Freedom of people. See why I told, when we say slaves, it doesn't mean that it is applicable only for the slaves. See, third estate people also, their life is not very free. They are obliged to pay taxes. They are obliged to do some work for the nobles. So they are becoming free from this now. Okay. Next one. What are the colors, national colors of France? Evelyn? What are the national colors of France? Evelyn? Evelyn, what are the national colors? Evelyn, can you hear me? Nima? All switch on your videos fast. Nima, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. What are the national colors of France?
Blue, white, and red.
Okay, very good. Then, what is the personification of law they have given? Shivanya?
Ma'am, the winged woman.
The winged women. Okay. Now, one symbol says that all are equal under law, or all are considered to be equal. What is that particular symbol? Alana?
Ma'am, the law tablet.
What is that? Law tablet. Okay. So these are the symbols you can see they were using, especially in the Declaration of Rights. Now, next, we can see that what all changes is happening in France after these Declaration of Rights. Okay. Now, I told that monarchy is controlled, or you can say the King Louis, he should behave according to the Constitution, or he should rule according to the Constitution. So, do you think that King was very happy? Whether he has freedom
No, ma'am.
to do whatever he wants? No, he doesn't have the freedom. So what happened here? King felt that he should have some secret alliance. Okay, what do you mean by secret alliance? Secretly, what is he doing? He is making friendship. Okay, or he is joining with other kings. Other kings in the sense, nearby there were some countries like Prussia, Austria. Okay, so what the King Louis did, he started making secret alliance. Did you get what I mean by secret alliance?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so he started making alliance in the sense he planned that, okay, with the help of King Prussia and with the help of King Austria, they will attack France and suppress the people. That is what the planning of whom? Who planned like that?
Louis 16.
King Louis. Okay. Now, what happened in that? These rulers of neighboring countries, they were also worried. Why they were worried? What is their problem in France if they have all these rebellion and revolution?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
they were worried that the revolution would spread.
Yeah,
The
they
other
are
countries
worried because the revolution can spread to their country also. So even if a revolution spread to their country, what will happen?
Ma'am, their people will revolt.
Yes, their people also will revolt. Their kings also have to face the same situation what King Louis is facing. Okay, so those kings were worried. So because of that reason, they took a decision that they will help whom? King Louis here. Okay, now what happened? The National Assembly. What is this National Assembly now? What is National Assembly? Have you heard about National Assembly?
The third
Yes, ma'am.
estate.
The third estate, they formed an assembly for what now?
For forming the
For
constitution.
framing the constitution. Okay. Now, this as National Assembly came to know that the kings are planning like this. I mean, King of France, Prussia, and Austria, they are planning to attack the people of France. They came to know what National Assembly did. Before coming to attack them, they declared war against whom? Prussia and Austria. You got what I said? So before they come to France and suppress the people, what they did, National Assembly declared war against Prussia and Austria. Yes? Now, you know that when they declare war, there should be some people for as soldiers, right? There should be some people for to go for the war. Yes or no? Now, King's military will come for this? No, then who will go for the war?
People.
People. And people, they are, you know that they are not much trained in fighting and all. But what happened? Many volunteers joined the army. Joined the army in the sense, not the king's army here. They themselves joined the army. And what they did, a war started. A war started. It was a war of against the king, against the rule of king, or against the aristocracy, or against the rich people. Okay, so this many people joined in this war and they started to fight against the rulers and aristocracy, because nobles, they were not worried. Priestly class, they were not worried, because their rights are taken away. Actually, if these people are suppressed, their rights will be back. So they are not worried. So because of that reason, many people, they joined the war and they fought against the kings and aristocracies. Now here you can see, when they were going for the war, you can see they started singing a patriotic song. Okay, or towards a nation. A patriotic song means what now? What do you mean by patriotic song? Anyone? Patriotism means what? Love towards country, love towards our own country. So some songs were introduced during those days, with the content that they love their country, they are fighting for their country. Okay. Now, what is the name of that particular song? That is Marseillaise. Okay, that is composed by poet Roger de Lisle. Okay, so the name of the song, what is that? What is the name of the song? Marseillaise. At the same time, who composed that?
Roger
de Lisle. Okay. Now, what happened? Lisle. Now, after some time, or you can say that after the war and all, later on, this song became the national anthem of France. Okay. So the national anthem, like our country also has a national anthem, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the national anthem of our country?
Jana
Okay, so their poet Roger de Lisle composed in our country. Jana Gana Mana is composed by whom?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so here, like that, you can
Rabindranath
see.
Tagore.
Yes. So like that, you can see a patriotic song was sung by the people during that time. The name of that song, that was Marseillaise. Another one that was done or that was composed by poet Roger D. Lisle, and it is considered as the national anthem of France. So now also that is the national anthem of France here. Now coming back to the war here. Okay, you know that who has gone for fighting? These for the in the war, who has gone for fighting? Which
The
group of people? The common
Tourist.
people. The common people have gone for fighting.
The people.
Okay, so that has become very difficult for the family members. You know that they are not doing any work now. Instead of that, they have gone for fighting. Okay, otherwise they used to earn and support the family. Or you can see these people, those who are there in the category of daily workers, or those who are washerman, those who are repair person, all those people, they have gone for fighting. Now at home, there are no one to support the family. So what happened? The women started earning a living. They started going for job, or they started doing work. Before also they were going, but the responsibility now increased. The earning, they should earn a living. At the same time, they should do all the work at the family. Okay, so this became, it was very difficult for the women during that time, or you can see it was a great loss for them, or economic difficulties were there. What do you mean by economic difficulty? Economic difficulty related to what?
Agriculture.
Money. It is related to money here. Okay, so they were not having money because all the men have gone for fighting. Another one, you can see there, they have to support their families. At the same time, the work what is there in the family, they have to do. So many people, but even though they had a lot of hardships, even though they had a lot of problems, you can see that still many of these people felt that the revolution should continue. There is a reason for that, why they felt the revolution should continue. Okay, so once more, what is the situation here? Many people join the army, but in that after joining the army, you can see that they started to have a more attachment towards the country. They had that patriotic song, that is Marseillaise. It is composed by whom? Roger D. Lisle, and that became the national anthem of the France here. Now, war, it was very difficult, but even then it is difficult. Even then it was very difficult for the people to go for war. They felt that this revolution should continue. There is a reason for that. Okay. Now, why this revolution should continue? Because they felt that the people are not equal at the political level. Okay, in the sense, you know that they were not having the right to vote. What was the criteria for voting, which I told you before?
Only men about 25.
Okay, 20 years of age. Okay, fine. Other than that,
Ma'am, who pay taxes?
yes, those who pay taxes of 3 days of a wages of a laborer, they only can put the vote. This shows what? What does it show?
Ma'am, all were not able to vote.
All were not able to put the vote. Only those who are rich, they were able to put the vote. Okay, so many people felt that this revolution should continue till the time all people should get the right to vote. Till that time, they should continue the just 1 minute. They should continue the
uneducated
revolution.
and could not read or write.
I think the sound is not going properly.
Ma'am, it's very low.
Symbols were used to check
But you see, I don't know. Sound is remaining like that only.
stood for the law.
Oh, let me see. Is it okay now?
The scepter was a symbol
Yes,
of
ma'am.
royal power.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
The tablet, also known
Show you. Okay, Alana? Present. Alina?
Present, ma'am.
Alna? Alna, first. Ansel?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Anlia? Present. Ashmit? Present. Ayman? Ayman? Absent. Devika? Present. Present or absent? Devika?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Catherine?
Present, ma'am.
Presto?
Present, ma'am.
Dion? Dion?
Present, ma'am.
Abhinav?
Present, ma'am.
Evelyn?
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Dion
Shaza?
is present.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Shaza. Okay, okay. Gopi Krishna?
Present, ma'am.
Harsh Singh? Absent. Jeevan Joshi? Absent. Jeff Verghese? Absent. Gino Viju?
present, ma'am.
Present. Joseph?
Present, ma'am.
Krishnaveni?
Present, ma'am.
Mithun?
Present, ma'am.
Michelle?
Present, ma'am.
Neema?
Present, ma'am.
Abhishek?
Present, ma'am.
Asin? Asin absent? Absent. Okay. Alia?
Present, ma'am.
Prarthana?
Present, ma'am.
Rolga? Rolga? Present or absent? Because I saw him before. Now he is not there.
No, ma'am, he's not there.
Okay. Rudra?
Present, ma'am.
Sachin? Absent. Safa? Safa? Absent. Salin?
Ma'am, Safa is present.
Safa present. Okay. Salin present. Sarhad? Absent. Sarhad. Okay. Shankari present. Shivanya present. Steve
Present, ma'am.
present. Surya Narayanan? Thomas Chaco?
Present, ma'am.
Tia?
Yes, ma'am.
Varada?
Yes, ma'am.
Vinayak?
Present, ma'am.
You? Absent. Zaiba? Okay then, bye everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.